Okay, what I'd like to share with you is the accessories from Quadlock to actually be able to put this on your motorcycle. So this right here is for the iPhone 16, and so you put your phone into here. Nice case for you to have. And it has all your where you can press all your buttons and everything like that on the side. Very nice. And then you can go ahead in the back here and you press this blue thing right here, this clip, and then this clip on the bottom opens up like so. So you have to have it this way because you're going to put it on your belt, and then how you get it in there is you press the blue. Now it's locked into place. Now you can go ahead and put this on your belt. So the other thing that I'd like to show you is, so you press that, turn it, and it comes off. So you have this accessory right here. It's a vibration dampener, and the reason for that is before this I had an iPhone 11, and I had to have the camera changed on that iPhone 4 times because of the vibration of the motorcycle. So this right here would eliminate that if you're driving a motorcycle, so you don't have to replace your camera on your phone as often as I did. So this protects it from the vibration. And I'll go ahead and show you what comes in this. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. And I'm going to go ahead and install this. Got your directions here. You got yourself a Allen wrench, and right in here, that's where your Allen wrench goes to tighten it. So then you need something to put on your motorcycle handlebar so you can mount all this. So you get one of these clips in here. It's similar to that, but you just don't have the back end like the clip here. So this would go back on the back here of your casing. So okay, to set this all up, this actually goes on the handlebar of the motorcycle, and I'll show you how I put that on. The vibrating dampener, this goes like that on there, and you go ahead and use this Allen wrench to go in there and tighten it. So that's on there really tight and good. So what you do is, after you put the dampener on, you go ahead and line it up, and it's saying to put it like at that angle. So then you take the Allen wrench that it came with and you tighten it. You could adjust this, tighten it up really good. So I'll show you to put it on the motorcycle so you can see that you can be able to get your phone on there. So it'd be on the motorcycle like this, and then you go ahead and attach your phone. And you lock it into place, and then you can see your phone's a little bit off, so that's where you'd have to adjust it. So there we go, I got my phone attached. It looks pretty straight. This is on the side, as you can see, so if I press down on this and then turn my phone, it'll come off. So let's go out and install it on the motorcycle. Okay, but before I install it on the motorcycle, just want to let you see something here. You actually have to get this screw out, because right underneath here is another Allen wrench screw. So you have to unassemble this, because there's no screw on the bottom here. So if you want to get this on your motorcycle, you have to take this off and then attach this. And while I'm doing this, every time you get a new iPhone, you have to get a new case. You know, that's part of the way technology is these days. You just got to get a new case every time you get a phone, and then you'll be able to put your phone on the motorcycle. Now I can go ahead and attach this to the motorcycle. So where I'm putting this on my motorcycle, I got a bag up here. I want to put it right there. So just want to show you, they have these to fit. They're, you know, if the bar is bigger or smaller, you put those in. And there's the screw. So what I'm going to show you now is installing this right there. So first thing I want to do is the rubber piece would go on there like that, and then you want this to go on like so, and you know, you can get it as in the middle as you possibly can. Then you go ahead and get your screw that goes into here. And it'd be a good thing to keep your Allen wrenches someplace. So if you want to move this for any reason, tighten it up real good. Well, I decided not to put it where I thought I was going to put it, so I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you! So then the other thing that you want to do is then put this guy on here to the right. You see, you can put it, can move it around. So the best thing to do is get the steering wheel straight, because most of the time you're going to go ahead and have it, the motorcycle, it's not going to be like in this position only when it's parked. So you tighten it up as much, very tight, and then you can go ahead and put your phone in there and adjust it. But I've already checked, so I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this up. That's good and tight. And then you have your phone, and you go ahead and put it on. You push this down, have your phone a little bit crooked either way. There you go. Lift that thing up, and there you go. That's how it would look with the handlebars, and then I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like with the handlebars straight. And then the way I'm looking at it, like if you have the maps or something, you know, if you don't like it that way, then you can go ahead and adjust it, you know, a little bit. But, you know, when you're turning So the motorcycle is going straight, and that's the way the maps look right there. And then you can see that this thing moves, and that's the dampener. It won't mess up your camera on your phone, and that looks pretty good. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.